Hello guys, my name is Abiye. Welcome to my sewing channel. This is the first video I'm doing on this sewing channel. I'm going to do a brief introduction of what this channel is going to be about and why I created this channel. My sewing journey started from 2019 when I first started fashion school. Actively, I started sewing and making clothes for other people as a business from 2021. So this is 2024, and in the business of fashion, I've been working for about 2 years plus. So this channel basically is going to be about sewing, pattern drafting, DIYs, sewing tutorials, how to sew. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to use the machine, you will learn how to use the machine here, and you learn how to draft patterns from scratch. You will learn how to use those patterns to create dresses. That's what this channel is going to be about. The next videos you're going to see will be videos about the materials you need for sewing, how to take measurements, basic pattern drafting for your bodies and your skirts, and then how to use those basic patterns to reproduce clothes. If you're watching this video as a beginner, this is the best for you because you are actually starting this process with me. So stay tuned, enjoy, subscribe, like, leave a comment, ask questions about the things that you want to learn, the kind of videos you want to see, and I'll make sure to include them in the process. Thank you so much. Bye.